All right, springtime and time to refinish these absolutely disgusting big green egg Solid Acacia EGG Mates. They're little tables that swing by the sides of the big green egg. Start with sanding it with 80 grit, and it looks just disgusting, oily and black and peeling paint, whatever they coated it with. And the sander does just an amazing job taking this crap off. I mean, just look at that. Comes out perfect. This is gonna be good. Yeah, I sand the little grooves with a sanding block, and I just go for 120 grit. Does a pretty good job. Gets in the edges there, and those are the only ones I really want to clean up. Hit it with 120 real quick. For me, for the outside, 120 grit is good enough. It's nice, soft, and much better than the factory-made one. At least I like it better. Quick job. It looks pretty darn good. I think this is ready for some Odie's oil. And this thing is soaking it in. Oh my God. And there it is. I think this took me about half an hour for everything. It's gorgeous, and after a day, I'm gonna go put it outside. Well, maybe wait 2 days. Peace, guys.